Hi, Jafar. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, absolutely fine. How are you?
You're fine. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
Oh, you're from West Bengal. And what number of session is this for you on the
Yeah,
platform?
this is my third session.
This is your third session. So how are your sessions going?
Yeah, absolutely right. Because different tutors they are using apply to us different tactics, so
Yes.
we can learn everything from tutor.
Wonderful. That's good. And apart from taking sessions here, what other things are you doing from your side for your practice?
Hey, actually, I always I'm occupied with my work, so I didn't have time too much. So
Of course.
only conversation, and sometimes I watch the YouTube videos. Uh, Almost I like I have been watching your videos since long.
Oh
So I
God.
was so much
Thank you.
yeah, Parveen, actually I was so much excited to talk with you. So
Yeah.
it's been nice having you.
Oh God, thank you. Thank you so much. It's so nice that at least you like the videos and you learn something out of the videos. That's the main motive. Wonderful. But I think the problem is always it's not about the speakers, you know. First of all, the problem is what environment you are getting. If you are getting the environment where you can speak freely, then you will be able to practice more,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely right.
So I want to ask you, do you get a chance to speak in English outside?
Once upon a time, I went to Dubai and
Oh,
Iran. Yeah, a lot
oh
of countries
wow.
I have also already traveled. So
Oh
I
wow.
was
Okay.
that time I was learning, but I didn't know why I am learning. Now
Okay.
now I want to improve my English, because
Mm-hmm.
in these days English is mandate everywhere. So
Yes,
I
absolutely.
yeah. So I am trying to
Hmm.
reach to the stranger. If you also learn English, and if you are able to speak fluently, then I can tour the abroad, and I can
Oh,
contact with the other.
very soon, very soon. I hope you do go outside, but that's so nice. The major area, the way you can improve. Okay. First of all, are you in a habit of watching web series and movies in English?
Not too much, but when I got the time, that time I have was already subscribed those channel, some channel in YouTube. I am following to them. Those who are also English speaker, not
Okay.
particular any web series.
Hmm. Okay. This is a
Some of
suggestion.
those,
Yeah.
yeah, some of those my favorite tutor, or some of those my favorite lecturer in English.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
usually I am following with them.
Okay. Got it. Yes, you can follow them. That's not a problem. Personally, if I have to give a suggestion to you, I would give please watch at least one episode of an English web series every day.
Yeah,
Okay. Trust me, it's a practice that will never fail you.
yeah,
Okay. So please add at least one episode in your everyday schedule. Make it a habit that you have to watch. Whatever you like. You like action, you like romance, you like comedy, whatever it is. The content is up to you. The sound, the audio, that needs to be in English. Please make it a habit that you are watching it.
okay,
Okay?
I will try.
Yes, please, please do try. But if you are watching other content also, that's good. That doesn't matter. I'm just giving you a personal suggestion. Okay? Okay. Can I just give you one random topic and ask you to speak on it for about 2 minutes? Will that be okay?
Okay, no, okay, you may
Okay.
proceed.
It'll be related to you. Okay. Nothing out of the box. You don't have to give it a lot of thought, just about you. Can you please describe me your timetable? What are the things you do in your entire day from the morning time you wake up till the time you go to bed?
I knew that you would ask like
Oh.
this question.
How do you know that?
So
Oh God.
yeah, I knew that, because every tutor, I'm not telling it every tutor, but some tutor also ask this question at all. So
Okay.
I will also ask you one question, but not now. A few
Okay. Okay, in a while. Yes, got
few
it.
minutes later.
Okay.
Actually, my profession is a driver. You know, just sometime before I went to Dubai to fetch someone, and 2 hours before I also come back to home. Always I'm on the road because my profession is driving. So I'm is usually going to the airport and some any other places. I actually interconnected with the other people to learn language. It's my hobby, and not only English but also Arabic, as I knows better Arabic and Hindi and sometimes Punjabi. So it's my hobby. So that language is usually I can talk with them, but I want to improve my English. In the morning, every day I'm thinking that I need to change my profession nowadays because we want to go with the flow. I believe that, honestly, I believe that our family members not educated, so it was a heritage that we are also not getting any improvement from them, and increase in my life about in English, that will be also good for us. So particular, I cannot explain to you that
what timetable you follow.
Yeah, what timetable you follow, because we don't have any. We didn't have any particular timetable. Yeah.
True. Okay, no problem. But is it like all 7 days you're working?
Yeah, 7 days working, not all 7 days, not profession, because at my home that time I being my profession, sometimes I participate. My father works there. They have also some farmer plants. So it's usually already you can feel that already I done for the day.
Okay, you are done for the day. Yeah. You'll soon retire now to bed. Okay.
Well, actually, Parveen, when I was in abroad and foreign country, that conversation with some other people. But now I'm feeling that I was afraid to in front of you and how to make sentence like this also. So I don't know why it's coming so much, but when I was thinking that time, I thought that I can able to make sentences, but it's I think that all beginners also same problem. Like,
yes, everybody faces this problem. Okay, not just you.
Everybody.
The problem is that you become nervous. What if the other person thinks like, oh, he doesn't even know the language, right? So please do not think this way. Whenever you're talking to a person, never think that, oh, the samne wala person is judging you. People will judge you anyway. This is a human trait. No matter what you do, people will judge you anyway, right? So why get bothered? You have to be free. Okay. One thing that I have always followed in life, that is that whenever I'm talking to a person, I will enjoy that conversation. Okay. Don't be nervous. Even if he judges you, so what? It's okay. You are in the learning phase. You are learning something. Right? The obstacles will be.
I might have one demo session. After that, I also took one session. This first session, I was also too much afraid. That, but today, I have been watching your videos so long. So I was thinking that Parveen will come. Then I will also talk with her as a friend, not a ma'am. So.
Yes, this is the one thought that you have to bring in your mind, that the person sitting in front of you is not here to judge you. Okay, and not just me. I would request you to talk to everybody like this only. Be free. It's all right.
Parveen, I want to make to confirm with you that I have one YouTube channel. I have been working sometime. Okay. So can I upload this video?
Yes, please. I am okay with it. It's just that if there is a need that you have to ask the team before uploading, that would be the only concern.
No, of course, I don't mind. Of course.
Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay with it. I don't mind. If your channel is helping others, then we are doing a good deed.
Yeah, absolutely helping. In our environment is lot of educated, but they are not able to speak English. So maybe it will be also inspiration to them. So
of course it will be. Right? All you need to do is you have to be consistent with your practice. And I can see that you're so passionate about learning. You yourself have the hobby of learning different languages. You speak 4 languages, 4 or 5?
Yeah, 4 5 already I was speak.
I speak too. Sir, you're already at a greater spot than I am. Okay.
So
Above.
which language are also prepared that you are also talking too much?
Hindi and
Which
English.
language?
These two languages. Hindi is
Yeah,
like my
only
mother
two.
tongue. Yes, only two.
Yeah,
You are
you know.
above me.
Yeah, you know, when I was also in Dubai and Iran, only 3 months. Within 3 months, I have also captured all Arabic language.
That's so
It's my
nice.
it's my hobby. Yeah.
No, I only know two.
So
That's Hindi and English. That's all.
yeah.
Yeah, but I did learn French because I was having French in my school and in my college. So I had a passion for learning French and Spanish. But Spanish I don't know, but I did get a chance to learn French. I'm not very fluent, but I can understand what French is. So yeah, you can say partly French, not much, just partial, but it's good. But it's so nice. Please don't let your passion die. You have a passion for learning languages. Please be consistent with it. And just tiny practices that you are performing every day, it'll be this is all you need actually. Nothing more than this. Okay. So please don't be afraid or don't stop yourself from talking. If you restrict yourself, then you won't be able to open up. Okay. This is the advice for your future sessions also. Whoever is in front of you, please be free to talk. Okay.